Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get into a public Zoom meeting. Open your email or event page, find the meeting link or ID, and click it. If prompted, choose Open Zoom or Join from your browser. Type a clear display name, check your camera and mic settings, and press Join. If a passcode is required, paste or type it exactly as provided by the host. When joining a public Zoom meeting, you can use a link or a meeting ID and passcode. Links usually streamline access by opening Zoom or the browser and autofilling the meeting details. A meeting ID needs manual entry and may require a passcode, so copy carefully. If the link sends you to the web client and you prefer the app, choose Open Zoom when prompted for the best audio. Before you join, check your camera and mic using Zoom settings to prevent surprises. Join muted by default and unmute only when it's your turn to speak so meetings stay orderly. Hosts may enable a waiting room for public meetings, so if you're held there, the host will admit attendees in order. If you can't get in, message the organizer with your name and the issue for quick help.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.